Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some Loin Mane steaks. I cut it in half, and let me just turn it over and let you see what the other side looks like. I'm just going to add one of my favorite seasoning to it, along with some lime. Go ahead and do that. You can use any seasoning that you like, but this is what I'm using, okay? And I'm adding the lime to it. Okay, all right. And I'm gonna add this to a bowl and let it marinate for about an hour. Then I will show you how I prepare it. I'm adding just a little minced garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in the bowl with this. I just added my marinated Loin Mane to the skillet here. I'm going to turn the eye down to about medium low and let it cook really slow. I'm going to turn the eye down to medium and let it cook for about 6 minutes in between. How the Loin Mane looks after I cook it, it kind of looks like steak or chicken in the pan too. Smells delicious. Look at that little spice that I added to it.